So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to take your Instagram pictures and videos by yourself. This is the tripod / ring light. I won't really be using the ring light, actually. It's just the tripod I need because I take pictures myself. So this is it. So what you want to do here is go to Pinterest and search for the aesthetic or look you want to recreate. So for this, I had a baggy look idea on my head, and this is just me searching for it. Keep searching till you see your preferred one. So just keep searching and take screenshots of the poses and everything you want to recreate. Yeah. Currently in the location I'll be using, I have different location in mind, and this is one of the locations. So it's more like a practical video. You see how I do it and all of that. So if this interests you, please keep watching, like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is me giving you a clearer view of my first location. Yeah, this is just it. This is the results from my first location. It was a little bit dark. This is the result after editing. If you see the previous picture, it was very dark, but you know, after the hands of the Lord touched it, it was better. It's the first background. I don't know if you can. Hey Jesus, okay, I don't know if you can see it at my back there. One of the major challenges I faced there was that a lot of people kept passing. I think it was the way to their church, and they kept passing, and you know, I was distracted at some point, and at some point they were sharing flyers for me. I think they had an outreach, and even like 5 people almost shared the flyer to me, and it got to a point I just had to put the flyer on the ground so they know that people already previously brought this to me. And I got to some point, if you don't have liver, you know, if you do this kind of thing, you know, fit. I'm serious. That's why it's very advisable to go with your friends. You know that if they are passing, you'll be smiling self and all of that. So I don't know, that was a major challenge that I faced. And breeze too. It almost failed the tripod. Like, if not for the superpowers that my Father in the heaven gave to me, the tripod would have failed. And probably it would have spot, but because it's actually a ring light and a tripod inclusive, you can't see, and it really, my own is not really okay. So this is for someone, so I would not want something like that to happen. And it didn't fall. I thank God for that. It did not fall, but it almost did, guys. Okay, this is another staircase, guys. You just need to have your concept. Once you have your concept, like, you would really be like, your head would just be there, like, see another staircase. See, like, now that I'm thinking about it, I think I even like this place more than the previous staircase. But a lot of people are here, so I don't know. I think I like this place more. I'll probably shoot here too and shoot at the other side. So guys, this is the complete fit for my second look, and I can tell you that I look take away. Gosh, come on, look at that. Jeez, do you know something? Men are easily deceived. And you know, some people will start looking at me like, oh, sweet girl, hello. I don't know that I was a mechanic. So guys, one major for this location I used here, this staircase location, I'm not going to lie to you guys, this location was quite okay, but I think it was quite dark for me. Even my former location, it was dark. I don't know, maybe it's the weather, but the weather is quite bright, so I don't understand. All my pictures, I'm not really feeling it. I'm not going to lie to you. I know if I edit it and everything, it's gonna come out nice, you know. But how do I put it now? It's when you guys see it, sharp. But the challenge that I faced was that the weather was not. Should I say it because it was not sunny? You know, we need the Nigerian sun in order to shoot this video. But I did not get that. The weather is not cloudy, but at the same time it's not too bright, so it's not really, it's not really bright like the pictures I've been taking. But all in all, we thank God I'm done with the shoot. So the last and final step is to take as many pictures as possible. So this is me. Jeez, I can't count the number of pictures I took, to be honest. I think it was close to probably 100 or so, but I'm not so sure. But I took plenty of pictures, and that's it. So that we've come to the end of the video. Please, if you liked or if you want me to do more of these videos, let me know. And if there are other videos you would actually want me to do, please let me know too. I love you guys. Please hit the subscribe button, like my video, share my videos, and keep watching. I love you guys.